Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now we will see three stocks that we can trade for swing trading for the week of 14th December to 18th December. If you look at the weekly chart of say for SBI, we can draw a trend line right up to current market price from this level. And if you go to daily chart, for example, I'll go there. This is a support level. You can see multiple long wick candle around the level of 265 and 266. So that is going to push the price up, and it is also going to prompt more buyers. Though the volumes have not picked up for the current week, the reason for that is the buyers are waiting for State Bank of India to go over 277. That is the high of this candle. So in Monday's session, if State Bank of India goes above 277, I can foresee a lot of buyers coming in, and we can even see 300 being achieved at the end of Friday's session. So that kind of momentum we are expecting. The reason for that is just see, I cannot see any other level over 277 unless below 288 to 290. So this kind of momentum is expected, and I hope you are going to get onto it. Second stock that we are looking for swing trading for next week is Vedanta. Just look at the weekly chart. You can easily draw a breakout line. The reason for volumes not picking up for the current week is that when stocks approaches a breakout region, if it has to break that breakout region, then only volumes going to expand. That's why a lot of buyers were hesitant and they booked their profit. So in Monday's session or in any session for coming week, if Vedanta goes above 148, you cannot see any further level below 165 at least. So that is what we are targeting. So that is total of around 17 to 20 18 rupees in Vedanta. If I show you in daily chart, you can see wick on the upper side. Also for today's candle there was wick on the bottom side as well. So that's what happened when stock approaches a breakout region. So if you look at the daily chart of Vedanta and just pay attention to the this huge bullish candle, it was approaching breakout region. But as I told you, when breakout happens, it happens just below the breakout zone. For example, here the breakout is at 147. So ideally, you want daily candle to begin just below 145, 144. That's when you see breakout going as high as 145, 155 rather. Now we'll go to third stock. Third stock here, it is an ideal case of reversal pattern. On a weekly chart, you can spot that there are a lot of wicks on on the support level, which is equal to 245 and 246. So in Monday's session, or rather in the next week, I am going to or we are going to see a retracement. If I go to daily chart for that, even you see the same scenario is transpiring. So here from the level of 248 or even 251, we are going to see a huge bullish momentum up to the level of 265 at least, if not high of this candle, which is equal to 272. I hope you understood all the stocks with the logic which is based on price action and volumes. I'm not using any indicators. So let us see all the levels in the stocks. So I'm going to share this course in my Telegram channel as well. You can find the link in the description box. I have given you multiple targets along with risk to reward ratio so that you can calculate how much you are risking to on a target 1, target 2 or target 3. Ideally, you do not want to take position into all of this. At most, choose two of these stocks which you find are going to go your way as per my analysis. You can align your analysis with my analysis. It will help you weed out the extra, the stock that you do not believe or you do not have confidence that it will break out in Monday or next week, then you can choose other two and omit that one. Thank you for watching.